Welcome to Le Méridien N'fis, an oasis of tranquility in the heart of Marrakech. The hotel is located directly opposite the large Menara Mall. From the moment you step inside, you feel the unique blend of Moroccan tradition and modern comfort. And while the check-in is done for you, you enjoy a glass of mint tea. Spread across more than 5 hectares, the lush gardens create a scenery atmosphere, and the large outdoor pool is the heart of the resort. Perfect for relaxing hours under the Moroccan sun and a refreshing break after a day in the Medina. The suites are spacious, many offering views of the gardens or the Atlas Mountains. Marriott Bonvoy members receive a delicious welcome gift, Moroccan macarons. Bright rooms, cozy beds, and a mix of modern design and Moroccan accent create an atmosphere that instantly feels like home. The bathrooms in the suites are large and modern. The suites also have a second bathroom, which is like a guest bathroom. Standard rooms are noticeably smaller, but no less comfortable. They offer everything you need to feel at ease. Some rooms still feature the older bathroom design. Generally, Le Méridien N'fis delights with a bar serving local and international drinks, including alcohol, as well as a restaurant offering Moroccan specialties. The breakfast buffet is almost endless in its variety. Everyone will find something to suit their taste. After the renovation, the space has also become much cozier and quieter than before. Méridien N'fis is more than a hotel, it's a place where Marrakech reveals its gentle, relaxed side, a perfect balance of culture, comfort and calm. If you enjoyed this room tour, don't forget to leave a like, share the video and follow us for more updates.